Are you looking for the best stationary bikes? In this video we will look at some of the best stationary bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Circuit Fitness Recumbent Magnetic Exercise Bike. The Circuit Fitness Recumbent Magnetic Exercise Bike, model AMZ587R, is a high-quality exercise equipment designed for users seeking a combination of durability and performance. Its heavy-duty construction, featuring a robust steel frame, ensures stability and support for users weighing up to 300 pounds. The step-through design facilitates easy entry and exit from the bike, enhancing user convenience. With a focus on versatility, the AMZ587R offers 15 workout programs suitable for individuals of all skill levels. These programs simulate various biking terrains, allowing users to personalize their training sessions based on their preferences and fitness goals. The ergonomic design of this exercise bike includes textured pedals with straps, preventing feet from sliding during workouts. Additionally, it features 2 pairs of contoured handles that provide comfortable gripping options whether sitting up or farther back during exercise. Number 2. Cyclace PRO Magnetic Exercise Bike. The Cyclace PRO Magnetic Exercise Bike is a durable and safe fitness solution designed to provide a supportive and secure experience for users, particularly those with a plus-size requirement, as it can support individuals up to 350 pounds. Crafted from high-quality materials, the bike boasts a sturdy frame that ensures longevity, making it suitable for challenging workouts. One standout feature of this exercise bike is its ultra-quiet and smooth riding experience. Equipped with an upgraded 36 pounds flywheel and the latest magnetic resistance drive system, the stationary bike delivers a whisper-quiet cycling experience, making it ideal for home use without disturbing others. Customizability is a key focus of the Cyclace PRO, offering a variety of grip options with its multi-grip handlebars. The spacious iPad holder allows users to incorporate entertainment into their workouts by accommodating a tablet or phone. Combined with infinitely adjustable resistance, this bike caters to exercisers of all levels, providing effective workouts for beginners and fitness enthusiasts alike. Number 3. YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike. The YOSUDA Indoor Cycling Bike offers a smooth and stable exercise experience, making it an ideal choice for indoor cycling enthusiasts. With a 35 pounds flywheel and a heavy-duty steel frame, this stationary bike ensures stability during workouts. The belt-driven system contributes to a quieter and smoother ride compared to chain transport, making it suitable for use in apartments without disturbing neighbors or sleeping children. For a personalized and comfortable fit, the bike features a 2-ways adjustable non-slip handlebar and a 4-ways padded seat, accommodating users with an inseam height ranging from 25 to 39 inches. The large range of resistance levels allows users to tailor their workouts according to their fitness goals, whether it's muscle toning, weight loss, or improving heart and lung function. The bike has an impressive weight capacity of 300 pounds. Number 4. Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike. The Marcy Recumbent Exercise Bike is a fitness equipment designed with user convenience and comfort in mind. Its step-through design, constructed with heavy-duty 14-gauge steel tubing and a powder-coated finish, allows for easy mounting and dismounting during training, making it particularly suitable for individuals with knee and back concerns. Assembly is required for this item. Featuring a magnetic resistance mechanism, the stationary bike offers 8 levels of resistance controlled by tension knobs. This allows users to simulate riding on different terrains, catering to various fitness levels and preferences. The easy-to-read LCD computer screen serves as an odometer, displaying essential workout metrics such as time, speed, distance, and calories burned in extra-large numbers for clear readability. Number 5. JOROTO Stationary Bikes. JOROTO stationary bikes offer a premium home exercise experience with features designed to enhance performance, comfort, and convenience. The bikes are equipped with a no-touch magnetic resistance system and a belt drive, ensuring a smoother and quieter ride compared to bikes using felt pad resistance and chain transport. This design makes it ideal for home use, as it won't disturb neighbors or sleeping children. Additionally, the system is nearly maintenance-free, contributing to a hassle-free workout experience. The bikes are fully adjustable to accommodate users of different heights. With a 4-way adjustable non-slip handlebar and a 4-way padded seat, the JOROTO stationary bikes cater to a wide range of users. The micro-adjustable magnetic tension ensures suitability for both beginners and professionals. The inclusion of 4 horizontal adjustment levelers under the stabilizers enhances stability on various surfaces, making it perfect for family workouts.